I created this calculator to help you calculate how much fabric you need for your project, but I upgraded it. Hey there, this is Sarah with the Notorious Needle, and I am all about helping you to break the rules of conventional cross stitch so you can make whatever you want. Let me show you how to get to it on the website. This is the homepage for Notorious Needle. You can go to tutorials, you can go to the full archive, or you can go to beyond stitching. I'm going to go ahead to the full archive. This is all of the posts and tutorials. And here is cross stitch calculator. So the cross stitch calculator is not difficult to use. I am working on a project that is, let's see, I think I counted it at 140 stitches high by something like 100 stitches wide, and stitches refers to your pattern chart, like how many from all the way to the left to all the way to the right of your pattern, how many stitches are in there. The fabric count, I'm stitching it on 14 count over 1, and I want, let's see, between my stitches and the frame I want 2 inches, and then the allowance that goes behind the frame I'm going to allow for 3 inches. Then you just hit calculate and it tells you how many inches high you should cut your fabric, how many inches wide, what size tapestry needle is recommended, how many strands of floss for cross stitch, and how many strands for back stitch. Now, of course, this is up to you. It's all about personal preference. Even on 14 count, I might use 2 strands of floss so that I could use the loop start. And then often for back stitch, I might just use 1 strand. It depends on what your pattern calls out for a lot of times. And then below the calculator, you have a definition for each of the fields to help you decide. You can go back and change something and then hit calculate and it'll recalculate, or at the bottom you can hit clear and the whole thing clears and you can start over from scratch. Some folks found the fabric calculator helpful, and I just wanted to add a few tools in there. So if there's anything else that you think you might need to help you get started with your next cross stitch project, let me know and I'll see if I can throw it in that calculator. I cheat and use it sometimes when I just don't want to think about the numbers, you know. Sometimes you just want to get to stitching already, right? Stitch on!